We have arrived at the Cho Zem Phu Quoc, the Phu Quoc Night Market. You can see like ice cream coconut, ice cream rolls, 30,000 dong for an ice cream roll, smoothies. Kind of reminds me of Thailand. Smoothies. Hello. Coconut ice cream. Maybe we can try some of that. All the fish. Look at all the different fish. Nice, nice. Different prawns. You've basically got to buy them, then they cook it up for you on the spot. Some of these labeled gears in here, and they're pretty much cheap because a lot of them are like knockoff stuff. Look at all these pearls. More ice cream rolls. It's kind of like the Thailand vibes. Bright lights, the small carts, hot food, and it's not busy, not overly packed. More ice cream rolls. We'll have to try some later. Hello. It's okay, thank you. So they try and get you to taste some of the ice cream rolls. We're gonna come back there, but this place stretches all the way down this way as well. Here, a little bit down there, and then all the way down there. So let's head on down here and just have a look and a browse. Oh look, you can see all the labeled shirts, Phu Quoc shirts, labeled stuff. I love Phu Quoc. Coconut candy. I feel like something sweet. We'll come back and have another look. Looks like little cakes and stuff.
Hello, you and grab your puppy.
Thank you. Everyone wants you to try their little snacks, so then you buy it and then you go into their store. Thank you. Oh, this nice food. Oysters. Damn. Oh, these are the sea urchins. 20K for one sea urchin. They're not that fat. They don't look that fat. These look like the scallops. They look like cockles. Look like type of pippies. Clams. Octopus, duck, yum. We will come back there later. Let's have another little look around. I guess this is like the clothing now. Get into like the clothing styles. Oh no, these guys have got like sea urchin as well. Sea urchin. You can see that they've cut the sea urchin because the sea urchins here are very spiky, so they've cut them. I know Japanese love the sea urchin. When I went to Japan 2019, they were selling like 3 small sea urchins for like 15 New Zealand dollars, which I thought was kind of a rip-off.
Hello.
Already eaten?
Oh, no.
Full? No. So the sea urchins in Japan were very expensive, very expensive. And back in New Zealand, I mean, you die for those sea urchins. You get hundreds, and you don't have to pay for it. You know what I mean? But here, especially in Japan, it's like a delicacy. So expensive. Here it's not too bad. It's only like, I think for one here, it's something like 80 cents, which is pretty cheap because there's an abundance of them. Oh, look, this guy's actually barbecuing them up. So he's cut them and he's barbecuing them up. The sea urchins. Tenner. And he's just got some of these, looks like some kind of cockle and pippy. People love that stuff, man. They love it cooked like that. They cut the spikes off and then they just barbecue it up and chuck it on over there. It's the styles. This guy's making ice cream rolls. I will try some of these ice cream rolls, but first we will have a look around. It's pretty much the same stuff. All I'm seeing is ice cream rolls and seafood, pretty much. And you've got like your touristy stuff like your shirts, key rings and all that kind of stuff. But the sea urchins look to be popular. There they are. So they've cut them. And they're small here. The sea urchins are so small compared to the ones back in New Zealand, man. They're huge. Like 4 of these ones here are the same size as one back in New Zealand. So I'm gonna get some ice cream rolls, durian styles. They're about 30k. That's what they look like. So I'm gonna get the durian one. She's gonna cook it up. She's pretty good with the spatulas there. I guess that's a hot plate. So she got a bit of the durian and she put it in with the flour. Here's the ice cream. Oh, it's actually cold. It actually turns into ice cream. Haha. Let's see. So it's not a hot plate, it's a cold plate. As you can see, it's getting really cold. Ah, so these are the rolls. So she's made it into rolls. See that? That's how she makes the ice cream rolls. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna add some bits and pieces and sauces. Yeah, chocolate. Okay, thank you. So it's actually a cold plate, not actually a hot plate. And it freezes the milk and the durian and makes what we see here as ice cream rolls. So if you ever wanted to know how to make an ice cream roll, that's how you make an ice cream roll. Next thing is we need to try it. Alright guys, so let's try these ice cream rolls. This is the durian one. If you don't know what durian is, it's like the king of fruits here in Southeast Asia. Wow. That's pretty awesome actually. It does taste like ice cream. Ice cream mixed with mixed with like flour. It's kind of like a frozen pancake. It's like a frozen pancake, but durian flavor. Yum. Very good. And inside, in the middle, it's kind of custardy, like a custard. You can actually see it. It's kind of like yellowy custardy stuff inside. Yum. And it's not too chewy. You get like 5 or 6 pieces plus toppings. That's pretty awesome, man. I can say I tried ice cream rolls on Phu Quoc Island. Alright guys, that's it. We are done from the Phu Quoc Night Market. I think it's time to head back to the accommodation and chillax for the rest of the night. It's been a cool day. Tomorrow I will check out some of the beaches and hopefully get some fly cam footage. One thing that I was a little bit concerned about with this market is they don't have any rubbish bins, and in fact they've got signs saying no rubbish around the ground. You get like a 7 million dong fine if you are caught littering, but then they've got no bins here, so where do you put the rubbish? And I mean, you've got the sign here and then you got the rubbish here in this drain, so I think they need to work on that a bit. It's pretty weird. Anyway guys, see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up if you did. We'll see you guys on the next one. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys. Peace.